With the introduction of more modern rivals, Swift was long due for an update, and Maruti Suzuki has finally launched a mid-life facelift for the car. With the 2021 Swift facelift, Maruti Suzuki aims to multiply the hatchback success in the country. However, what all has actually changed on the updated car? Here is a list of the top 6 changes that have been made to the Maruti Suzuki Swift facelift. Take a look. External styling. Since it's just a midlife refresh, the overall design of the car has been carried over. However, the front end has been slightly updated in order to make the car look fresh. It gets a new cross mesh design for the front grille. Most prominent difference in front visible from miles away is a bold chrome strip that divides the radiator grille into two halves. The overall design language remains unchanged. No other significant changes have been made to the Swift facelift on the outside. Coming to powertrain, the 2021 Maruti Suzuki Swift gets the company's 1.2-liter 4-cylinder K-series dual-jet engine with idle start-stop function. The engine puts out 90 PS of maximum power along with 130 Nm of peak torque and can be had with either a 5-speed manual transmission or an optional 5-speed AMT. Coming to fuel efficiency, the 2021 Swift has claimed a mileage of 23.20 kmpl for the petrol empty drivetrain and 23.76 kmpl for the AMT option, which is an improvement over the pre-facelifted Swift claimed fuel efficiency figure of 21.21 kmpl, mainly by addition of auto idle start-stop functionality. Talking about features, the features on offer with the Swift facelift includes Maruti's SmartPlay infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keyless entry, push button start-stop, automatic climate control AC, steering mounted controls, projector headlamps with LED DRLs, precision cut two-tone alloy wheels. Over the pre-facelift model, it gets cruise control, an updated instrument cluster with a color MID as well as auto fold functionality for the ORVMs. Now talking about price. The new Maruti Suzuki Swift facelift costs more than the outgoing model. That said, the entry-level variant now costs Rs 5.73 lakhs, which is Rs 24,000 more than the corresponding variant of the pre-facelift. On the other hand, the top-end ZXi Plus AMT variant is now priced at Rs 8.27 lakhs, Rs 25,000 more than the previous top-end trim. These prices are ex-showroom. Talking about the color options, Swift is being offered with 6 different single-tone paint schemes, namely Pearl Metallic Lucent Orange, Metallic Silky Silver, Metallic Magma Grey, Solid Fire Red, Pearl Metallic Midnight Blue, and Pearl Arctic White. Also on offer are 3 dual-tone color options, which include Pearl Arctic White with Pearl Midnight Black Roof, Pearl Metallic Midnight Blue with Pearl Arctic White Roof, and Solid Fire Red with Pearl Midnight Black Roof.